Welcome, in front of me is DELL Latitude 5400, and in this video I will show you how to mute microphone on this laptop. To mute your microphone, you can use the F4 button, and if F4 button doesn't work for you, you can press the Fn button and Escape key at the same time in order to unlock the secondary functions of your function keys. Then pressing the F4 button will enable the light indicator in the top right corner of this key, and this will indicate that your microphone is muted. Alternatively, you can open the Start button, the Start menu, then go to Settings. In Settings, select Bluetooth and Devices, then go to Devices, Sound, find your microphone array, and to mute your microphone, click Don't Allow. To unmute it, click Allow. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.